Hi, I'm Sarv with Riverland Community College Cosmetology. Sarah's teaching us how to make beachy wave hair. Let's go.
Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to do beachy waves at home. It's very simple. All you need is your curling iron, a heat protectant, and a finishing spray, also known as hairspray. We use Redken here at Riverland. You're going to start off first. You're going to section off your hair. And you're going to apply your heat protectant. And then go ahead and curl. I like to have my clamp down. And you're going to continue this throughout the entire head. When you get to the other side, switch hands, and do the same thing. All right, so I'm going to finish up curling the rest of this hair, and then I'm going to show you this amazing curl right afterwards. All right, so now we have beautiful curls. So you want to wait them for them to cool. If you pull them too before they're cool, they will fall a lot faster. So you're going to add your hairspray, and now the fun part happens. And just like that, you can start your beautiful day with some beautiful curls.